home naru na ebwa la to etine o gbade bo mi diga home o na ebulo la to etine so bia gbade bu ha mi diga home naru la to etine o gbade bo so bia gbade bo mi diga home na ebwa la to matine so bia gbade bu ha mi diga home naru na ebwa sino gbade bu gajo bia mi to ni asa hope yo mi to ni asa hope chae ya o kodo agbe ya o 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 gajo bia mi to ni asa hope chae ya o kodo sobrevio mi to mi asa hope chae ya o kodo agbe ya o gajo bia mi to mi asa hope chae ya o kodo agbe chae ya o kodo agbe ya o 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 sobrevio mi to mi asa hope na de ya o sobrevio mi to mi asa hope gajo bia mi to mi asa hope
Barakumi katabia cho Togbi Avado mashama na cho
chae ya o kodo
Barakumi cho
chae ya o kodo
Awama fi Avado
chae ya o kodo agbe ya o
mashama na cho shall be upstanding
chae ya nyama o folo na ma ku fo epo
Togbi wisdom Togbi wisdom
yeto na ma ku fo boku ma o fo na wa ku fo ko ma e o fo so na wi ro gba e nya je se ba ma gba to nga e e o fo so
Togbi wisdom
nya je se ba ma gba to nga e
yeto jana
na ma ku fo boku ma o fo na ku nya folo na fo
Alaba Togbi Sri Atonlia Mio Togbi Gana Awamba Shia Togbi Awamba Pia Wisdom Yeto Jana Togbi wisdom
Seba magbatonu gae nyama o polo na makuvo bokuma o bana kuvo nyama o polo na makuvo nyama o polo na makuvo bokuma o bana kuvo maya o po sora wiro gba nyaja seba magbatonu gae maya o po sona wiro gba nyaja seba magbatonu gae nyama o folo na makuvo bokuma o bana kuvo kuo
Maraku Miyama hiyo kala China phone bala Dubai phone so Russia Maraku mashama na venonyi alaba Asia wona ba media personnels what coverage ta na la phone Russia no jikiji na zoom na na dangu shang na bayada Mia jiba miakpo amadaka wako yo phone yo munda shara kwa kono nanu shang demo azo ambaraku photo yo kadamiela miakpo ba photo wa wo yi de tapo lebo wo yi maraku shaku madam ka ko picture ka la fia akon gbegban adako. I beseech all those of you with other phones, please you may give way to the official photographers and videographers to do what they have to do for this very ceremony. And I need sanity that in case you have any phones taking any picture for any use, please be warned. Be warned ahead. And that should you be found guilty using these pictures for any other things negatively, you will be jailed. Allow me to use, you will be jailed. Thank you. Ago Madago Aye Magadogo Aka Togbi Mamao Chamigao Dumagao Anglojia Madakuku Miavi Afuati Akban Abia Sabolo no Vietnam na Jimola Ponte Garawoji Ma Abiemo Bala Kuku Dada Bana Amolia Ma ajewana goma Badaku Alaba Abana myonto nyana nemye gada Anlo duma laka Miapa national anthem ala miashi Ayata ma bia Bala kuku dada Bala doki bobo Bana ma abiaba mikata miando chitra Aye mia aji miapa anthem Angloha Madaku Mia Anochitra. I beseech you, all of you, with the love and humility I have in me, asking all of us here, all the sundry, that we be on our feet. Togbiga Madaku Nojima, Awadada Nojima. Alaba, we want to do our anthem, Anlo national anthem. I give the tune. Mabu Najraha Miahafia. Ready, go. Mabu Najraha Miahafia. Ya ekplo mi chohogbe. Mi do ji jogli. O mi kochi la o. Mabu Najraha. Nye klo mi cho hogbe. Mi do ji jogli. O mi kochi blagbo. Mia denyi ba lolo. Mia do wo kodeji. Le nyagbe bome nye magle wodi o. Second verse. O kala wo fefia nye cho bubu na wo na ke chideka no jo me binu. Mia denyi ba lolo. Mia do won kodeji. Le nya bebli bome nye magle wodi wo. Verse 3. Ma wo najraham ya hafia. Keto wo nego nge. Mi do jidenu. Emi gavo. Mia denigba. Mia denigba lolo. Mia do won kodeji. Le nyagbe blibo me nyema glewo dio. Mishakpe, shall we all be seated? Misha machamana noni aba afiang chuo kle fianyong wona. Akpe mie tu dalawa mana mi woni hoho ba na me ba yo de to mi didi na yidaji. Atuo na yidaji alaba tuo didi a akona BP. Pala sugar ve. Tane mi dama mi kpoba Togbi o la mi agbo, mama o la mi agbo, nyento ma la fia ha kokloba vovon a ye nyagbe. Maraku la afoya jishia ma abia cho Togbi sri kple Awadada wogbo kple jikpito Togbi o mama o gbo bena mia adogbeda alaba legbedodo da le dekɔnua mea mie yi ge ɖe etsi ƒoƒo ɖi gbɔ eya ta ne tɔgbuiwo le mía gbɔa meɖeku mia age ɖe etoa me bena mia aƒo tsi ɖi ne tɔgbeawo meɖeku le mía gbɔ alebe eyiwo ho get him ready a mia abia be xɔsegbadɔtɔwo hã wɔno ready yevuwo be the Christians should also get ready for that. Alaba amagbea mie gede miato awusa to gbo bana aloyevo ba Muslims gbo na wo tonami e ta maraku de konuto ele mia gbo anu manyo emi dai ha se no manyo emi dai anuma nyoe mieda ha se numa nyoe mieda akpolo akpolo yima adru kwala yima gbasama biajo pe mara kwala mi agbo
Togbi Awadada Agbesi Awusu yeke nye togbi kaka kuso wo le dzidzidze ƒe bla evevɔtɔ hɛ alebe mawuwo sodza etutsi na wo alebe gba ye nye azã ta tɔgbi tso bɔbɔnyenye kple kukuɖeɖe be míade asi na wo tsikɔɖitɔ naxɔ nakɔɖi watsi kuzo mianu, atsi dozo mianu, atsi nyazo mianu, atsi hezo mianu, ragbe na tokpo aƒo xlã mi. Eta mede machine ɖe tɔgbiwo ƒe ŋkɔ me be etɔ̃.
Mexɔe ɖe tɔgbiwo ƒe ŋkɔ me. Tɔgbiwo mamawo makpo bɔdzi ɖa. Mafietse mi egbe etɔ̃. Nye mauga kiti kata ranwoto ebe wo si wo fo mi yo ra emi yo anyigba mazo flo amazo jipo za anyigba ji ko gaze emi yo mi atɔgbi kato ebe fuhe ye yo mi atɔgbi kaklaku gidi glago enyi de gbehawo fo lama bima bia fo ko tsatraman yeyo nyatɔbi ablakatu tsitsiwo ho ebe fidzi efianyi yeyo nyatɔbi sobo kɔlabla yeyo nyatɔbi ameklã merɔ ku valɔgotɔdzi kpɔtɔ abe gbɔvienu le kpia abe ye ŋutɔ etɔgbiwo gbeɖuƒea ye ɖɔ gbeɖo yeyo miwo hã miatɔgbi xɔlu yeyo miatɔgbi katriku mieyo awudi daƒa metsi aʋa naʋa gblã awudi kple viwo ƒemenɔ ge ye yo ye mie yo nye tɔgbi ɖuvɔ ebe gbetuna delã ye yo ye mie yo mia tɔgbi atsikpo ebe zɔ zagba exa nu ɖe viwo ŋu ke gbenu le liwo ko atsikpo nue dzo nɔna ye mie yo mia tɔgbi ɖukli eɖu atsi te eɖu aga ŋe ye yo ra ye mie yo mia tɔgbi nyateƒe meza nye ʋlinɔ ye mie yo aʋa le te ɖeviwo kakamu kowo le ye mie yo mia tɔgbi atsivi menɔ balime zena ne menye logoa ke ʋue wòdziri mie yo mia tɔgbi preku ete xevia ʋalã sesi exe sesã ye ƒo nu nɔvia xewo kɔme ye wo mia katã kekeŋ ye mie yo pi babugu etrɔ gã nye mia hafa eha nyia menye afa me ne etrɔ ye yo hã ye mie yo mia tɔgbi botoza azagidi azã ƒɔgblẽtɔ vɔ gagblẽzɔvizɔ ye wo mia katã kekeŋ ye mie yo zadagli ekpe sesã ye gbanɔvia kpe ye yɔ mi ye mie yo dawumesuri amewo tɔma amewo zɔ ye mia tɔgbi aba mekpa vi o ekpe via nɔma ɖe dzi ye wo mia katã kekeŋ mie yo gasika ye mie yo gagba zozo menya lo mo ye mie yo mia katã kekeŋ kpe enu mexlã fi o edzoko nava se gba na tɔgbiwo kple tɔwo ɖiwo fowo be nyateƒe meɖi gbe eye ame labe mia tɔgbi Agbesi Awusu ne ye ezia dzi wode ɖo exɔ ƒe blaeve-vɔ-atɔ̃ eko zia yi ɖe etɔe egbɔ xeya be egba yaɖu azã kɔ ne aŋlɔ gbetabla tɔvɔ dã elabe nye eviewo enɔ ganye tɔ kɔ nyateƒe eduwo efiawo kple duwo sɔ ɖe ŋu eya mieva woko tsie de asi nam be matsɔ ne etɔgbe yiwo woyi nugba ada kpe no be wowoe edɔm wowoe le ŋgɔ yiwo xem hafi yiwo dua kplɔm eya nyateƒe wobe miade kle megbe ne tɔgbi esri kple tɔgbi Agbesi Awusu Awadada kple wote fiwo katã kekeŋ kple duɔ nyanye kple manyemanyewo nyateƒe tsiwo kɔna ma tɔgbi Agbesi gblɔm be hã aŋlɔdoɔ ƒe ŋu ne sɔ ɖeka wɔwɔ yidzi yim le yele ne aŋlɔdoɔ ta etsia mie ƒo ge ɖe hã etsi ne dza agbleme ŋku na wɔ etɔ ne ɖɔ ade kple ʋanyeviwo katã wo dɔ na mi nyaviwo le ablotsi suku fika woƒe susu ne ʋu ne wokpɔ edɔ wɔ tame mekpɔ dɔ wɔwɔ mɔ ne kpɔ dɔ wɔ ye ame mekpɔ dziɔ wòkpɔ dzi ta etsia mietsɔ ge ɖe ku dzi o mietsɔ ge ɖe agbe dzi o mietsɔ ge ɖe vɔ dzi o ke ɖe agbe koe ɖe agbe vie ɖe agbe bɔka ɖika lãmesẽ yi dze miekɔ ge ɖe o miade kle megbe ade kle ŋgɔ na mi atsi kuzo mia ŋu atsi dɔdzo mia ŋu ato kpɔ aƒo xlã mi ta etsi nye miaxɔ ahaya meƒo ɖe o ahaya ketɔwo toe ne miexɔ hã ketɔ yiwo be enua meganyɔ hã ne mienye mianyui ɖe wo ŋu aŋlɔtɔ meganyi ŋgɔ gbɔ ne mienyi kɔ mi nyui ɖe ketɔ mɔ gogogogogo ɖagbe ye miedzi ne du Togbi Agbesi Awusu ba eji elamasa bokadika lamasia ma to duakata daka yo pa babele sonyi ne na gbona agbara zango yo nya tumu katon yo kodo
Togbi gale aro dumaga gale aro miajiba miabawo miatokun dumaga gale klapa hafiao miakukuram nami migara miadomi
Maraku Togbi yo ka fochiari ho wa nya gavrao alaba amladao maraku nyo ha mi bawo miato amladao na amladao mo le radio a okay alabana amladao wo fo a maraku la fao na garama akpa Togbi edodomi akamine nye wo gane lo kamine Togbi edodomi akamine nye wo gane lo kamine holo kamine a holo kamine nye wo gane lo kamine maraku naho Madaku mizodang gogba kaba
Ye dogo ye gba etan na Anlo du tabla tovo dan katan Mia Togbi Agbesi Awusu Evelia Togbi Zawu du fia na Anlo gan Bla Togbi Subo Evelia de la Chikoto Bla Mamao Botarou Jamiao Wawe dati a shiba matsona Lampamaga na korina adua Alaba Fafanava Azan rumiala Meji ngogba yi Rakawawo Tutureji Fafa Lon Ya jime miele Alaba ngogba yi nuwa na ona vaduyama Lo ta machi ya da machina la fa vi ba ho otona Togba ona milo
Yo mada kpana amayo da danwa ata pe cha hashinya kuma ko garilo oh ma fontei mi ate fie mi na gwo zara zara ka toji oh ma fontei mi ate fie mi na gwo zara ka toji oh ma fontei mi ate fie mi na gwo zara ka to ma noji oh mauza kitika tarango tobe fashe fafo mayora kaka na vano tena segbea yebayo anyigba oruga madi akhando jiere magbonyi bonya voyo na yihu agboga mayora kaka na vano tendo na segbea la chiang ye matro mayo anglo mawo kata Mayo Mayo kata Mayomi Mayo sui Mayo Tommy Azamu Mayomi kaka ye Mayo Togbi Yigba Takashika kokro jima to ate o Mayo ra kaka na ba do tan asegba Mayo na ko gbaku Mayo ate be chela shinya na to yin ba ho kaka lo ma tro mo na Togbi gaga ma dra be ku zoku won che shi odopo jonu mara ase omo vo gbro mo nwi ahun ya ndara be dre o chitre kaka ke mo yo kaka
e ma tro ma me to ye gba agbe yaka agba klo ko mo re fi me gbe de gba ji ma yo ra ye ma me to bi ga fo nyamanya ha klo nyo to ko so nyo to am pe no ve ke shi no pa dudu ma yo ye ma tro ma me to afaji ga po chichi klo mo po tu me cha shimala ma yo ra ke na va no tra sagba ye me to bi ga apakulo lo ma sha to na shi to la ga ma yo ye me to gbi akrute akulu ayo akrute amapafia be sa ko fa ma yo mi ye ba me to gbi achocho ati gbaza ma yo me to gbi chali adalaza me to gbi asri ye ma yo mi kata ma yo mi re nyamero mi le fonju ragbe ye me to bi aga ma yo ra ye ma yo go ye ma yo mi kata ma yo me to bi ga akolu ogbe eto pe ma ti choglo ba amaji lo furu ko yo ru furo e fe ipa seru pa yi hu keke ko asevaza wa o to gbavi ji ba yana ga ba rufia alaba o va klo ijogbe ye komyo kata le owo ni ye o to Togbi Awusu avalia edobe to gbo ba yo ria ahomu otutum a chio dazam a jo gbabim akanye were ifa gonu olaji yo lo si jibu kaka apo pobla ovo ton mala boboyo ba ojo jiloro ko fun mo hu keke na pobla ovo ton me ni boboyo aya me to gbiya ajagba atofu o ma ato nya o ma ato he o ma ato ku o ma do ye pobla ovo ton ako tututu aya abao ya ma ko chapa mo ale mi to gba o mi we po hu keke ba sara fiya ao ya po ju do fiya ra mi an ana du ohun oya agba o je ko nu ogbon to jura gba hu keke ba sara agba ya ora agba mamira ye over adutofo ba yo ara yo pa sasala mafia e oda achashina nyon fo bi ma kori na anyigba na fa yo sonji e ya chi ama ko ha ya ma fo gara kujio ya ma fo gara dojio ya ma fo gara nyajio na gbara gbara Togbi Awusu Agbesi Awusu re awo menye ya ko ye ha ni kata mi to gberata ogbugbo ano afofo fiafio kata nufu tumo fio kata nufu re o ha anlo du ya de ko ke nyama jo po o do ma du o ma akawo ko le wo ga fi o nyare ko ma review show le review ma nyi bara chicha o awon na ko ma nya ogo aya mo gra Togbo pan ko ma bare apa gonna bo la jawia o ka nogba anogba ye polo fare kaza hare nya ka rulo achilei o pa mo do mo o teye o ahal changwa ahanyai ahama poro ahaka totwe amoyo kata ano anyigba jara anyigba jison yo gbo Togbi Agbesi Awusu panya akuto dotwe mama katowe nya ho har eme miare minyiro kakakalo ye amoyo kata ano anyigba jison ye wo gbo yo fiaga Togbi asri panya foya mama katowe eme no ha minyiro kakakalo ahaka totwe akalo ache ko me ko mi anglore atota atɔ tamie kpɔn me tɔ kpɔtɔ gɔmɔ tɔmɔlavi na dzi tsetse ne wɔ ma ye yevu dɔm re wone kpɔ dɔ na wɔ me ye kpɔ wɔ me xɔ re ega ne ze gadzi no wo katã re ɖo nyonyo gã vi aŋlɔ du na nyo no kpɔ sosoe ra ne nane ɖi aŋlɔ dɔ mɔ ye kplɔ miawo yawoe tami dzi eyina ɖe wo hã lo o kpe ɖa ma ɖeke be kpɔ aŋlɔ gɔmɔe aŋlɔ te ko na kpɔ ta tsia ɖe etre le yi etre gɔme ko me tsɛ ma tɛ kpɔ lo
akpɛ
abe le nyana mi kɔ fofovi atu kple tiwo menye ta atu ya va yi ta atu da etsi asi ɖe eti hã etsi ɖe akɔ ɖi lo
ale be lafoawoe ma egbɔna
mladawo gbɔna
mladawo ka
yo maxoe yo
lafawo yi gbã fia mladawo yi lo
ayo
madɔgo na duɔ madɔgo na fiawo dumegãwo madɔgo na mi madɔgo he gbɔ etɔn o mefia tre mi egbe etɔn o mefia tsi ame fɔwo to yi miato nye fie efie via fi o dena ame fɔwo to yi miato nye fie efie via fi o dena mefia ame fɔwo to yi miato nye fie na gbɔdze re na dze ɖe ketɔwo dzi o me yo mawu gã soja kitikata araŋɔtɔ ewɔ si wɔfɔ me yo ra me yo denyigba madzo flo amadzo kitie dzo ɖe dzi ɔli ƒome li ne fi ɔli ne gawo ɔnyigba wo no gama de na me gbeto wo no li no de gae ɔnyigba gbadza ma de hena ne kame vɔ heria ma vɔ me yo ra dziwo zɔm mie le kukua gbagba tɔwoe mie nye me yo dziƒo na riri va anyigba na se miwo konyi fafa me yo tɔgbi egbe mekplɔ xɔ mo ava de gbegbe dzi egbe dɔ ko dakplɔwo be ɖe me yo tɔgbe anyigba te kasika koklozi me fɔ te o alã sike le gbe me de ata dzolo na ɖo ŋoviwo me yo ʋeliƒo me yo tavi me yo tsadze manɔ ba ha na ƒetɔ kpɔdzo ma te ɖa dzoŋ gbɔ ɖoɖoa ŋu me yo sui me yo ʋakpe me yo tɔmi me yo tulasa me yo godzo me yo dulegbewo katã ya le duya ŋu hã dzogowo kple na hã me yɔ mi miase gbe ya be awo miawoe dua dzɔm mia ŋu dzɔm miata no to me kpo etsi aɖe le asi nye enya le ŋu hã miava no to dzi miwo tsi nye miava xɔ lo metrɔ me yo miatɔgbi egemedra me yo miatɔgbi egbe me yo miatɔgbi eʋenya me yo miatɔgbi adeladza me yo miatɔgbi esri me yo miava no te miase gbe ya be awo enya katã wo gblẽ na mi tso gɔmedzedza eva le tɔn enume nɔ dokpotɔ dzi gli na o heya nye me yi ge fũu o egbalẽ tsitsiawo si wo ɖe va yi lãmesẽ abɔkadrika ya ko miebia ne fiawo edumegãwo mamawo botaɖowo tsamiawo lãmesẽ miebia no edu ŋgɔgbetɔwo ɔno sesĩe miano sesĩe aƒeme ne fa na ame sia ame dɔwɔƒe na fa na ame sia ame esrɔ̃ƒe na vivi na ame sia ame to dua me ne fa dzadɔ na fa efe dua me na fa etsi na dza edɔwo na nyo ya ko ma gblɔ miwo ŋutɔ miava ƒu ya de dzi miese nya geɖe va yi ta tɔtsi afa yi nye ya miava xɔ loo edɔléle geɖegeɖe hã ne dogo dua me kple ku ne dogo dua me he aha me ƒo ɖe o ketɔwo to nye aha ame hewo be tɔgbia exoƒe blaeve-vɔ-tɔ̃ manɔ gbe o ayi dzi o eƒe alɔfa ɖeka yiwo gblɔ va me nɛ hã memɔ ketɔwo nye miawo ŋutɔ miava nɔ ha kpli wo nia wɔm wole afi ya ɖe mi katã miaha no ge mietsi no ge mianɔ ha wònye ku o mianɔ tsi wònye ku o na ame aɖe ɖo vɔ ɖe hã ya ye ŋutɔ ne dze dzi loo ame yiwo katã va afi ya eɖo ʋu va etɔfɔ va eko gasɔ eko moto va afi ya no ɖo aƒe no dzo yina no ɖo aƒe dedi ye loo me yiwo tɔ dzi to ge etɔ ne ɖe mɔnu ɔɖo aƒe dedi ye Johan, nefa, nyatonya fafai. Anlo vi mekpɔ etɔgɔmui, tɔtawo kpɔna. Ragberi, neva dze ŋgɔ mi, ŋutsu ketɔnyɔnu ketore, etre ne tso, nyanye ziwo dzi lo, ragbe gbɔna, neva dze ŋgɔ mi. Anlo doa gɔtabla tɔvɔ da, sɔnyi lo, efiwo gɔŋu ne sɔnyi.
Yo, ayo, ame yashi, yagble. Papi, anya ba, otei, logbo, ohwe. Atu dogbo danya no, magbo mani o kata osi. Oji ngogbo yi na ngodua. E ma ogbo, dolole kple ku ogbo sumapa. Le gbo an, itu horo no mo na mi lo.
Afiori.
Si otei. Ouais, ohwe lo.
Marako miawezon. Miawezon. Togbi idagbe miawezon, mawezon domna mi lo.
Yo, miagbo. Miazo gbana mi.
Miakogba.
Mi o mo gboto.
Yedo.
Oma o.
Yeli.
Le do yen.
Afi metode.
Odo.
Togbi o.
Oli.
Mama o.
Odo. Ohwe, o ba chira mi. Ma che ku, ma che do, ma che nyan. Ma che han. Na gbara gbara ko nyan lo.
Obanyoa. Father, please over to you. Reverend Father Ignatius Atipo. Maraku wezon, mia wezon.
Mia adogbada le tola kple vila, bakple gbɔgbɔ la ƒe ŋkume. Mao mia fofo, dziƒo kple anyigba wɔla. Akpe kple kafukafu tsɔma mi le na o. Ɖe ale si na nyo dɔme na mi kple agbe. Ŋkeke sia hã tɔwoe wònye netsɔ na mi. Ete mi ƒoƒu tso kpiƒe kple dzidziƒe. Be mia avava aɖu azã si ke Togbi Awusu Agbesi Evelia ekpe mi le yiƒe eƒe blaeve-vɔ-atɔ̃lia ƒe azã sia ɖoɖo me. Ʋuwo dziƒonue nana wo yayra kple amenuveve na dza ɖe mia dometɔ ɖe sia ɖe dzi. Vevietɔ Togbi Agbesi Awusu Evelia. Nunya nyansa kple aɖanu si ke wo ŋutɔ netsɔ na Solomon na be wòadzi ɖe edzi le eme. Be yiƒe edɔwo katã si ke wɔm wòle le Anlo dukɔa me wòahe ŋgɔyiyi ava ne dukɔ la le gbɔgbɔ kple ŋutilã me siaa. Tɔkpɔ sesẽ aɖe ƒo xlã eyama kple eƒe ƒome blibo la katã kple Anlo dukɔa. Mietsɔ miaƒe dɔwɔɖuiwo le asiwo me dem. Mietsɔ miaƒe ŋgɔdɔwo katã le asiwo me dem. Be to azã sia ɖoɖo me wòyayra kple amenuveve nahe edɔ. Agbowo na ʋu na nu nyui bena miakpɔ ŋgɔyiyi le miaƒe wɔnawo katã me to azã sia ɖoɖo me. Mlɔeba la, bla ali dzi na mia dometɔ ɖe sia ɖe. Vevietɔ Togbi sri be edɔtriakɔ si ke wo ŋutɔ netsɔ nɛ le Anlo dukɔa kpɔkplɔ me wòawui kple wo ŋutɔ ƒe ŋusẽ si ke nede eyama me bena mia awui wòanyo wòadze fia to adze ga to Kristo mia ɖela ƒe ŋkɔ me. Amen. Le tɔ la kple vi la kpakple gbɔgbɔ kɔkɔe la ƒe ŋkɔ me.
Amen. Misha Kaninam. Father, Mauna Yirao. Dono no. Maraku miato Muslim to de. Marakuku miade miapa ashimonola afiana azaya anya zatoki ada ikaba miafofo Togbi Awadada Agbesi Awusu Evelia na Anglojia afazan ayata miabia Eye ma biaba afoto Fred Chidi eye Adam yo jimonola afiami. Misha kpanenam.
MC Madakpa Grand no. Togbi Sri Atonlia. Awo mafiana Anlo. Togbi Agbesi Awusu Everlove. Nyapa Awadada. Togbi Zawuanalia. Nyafia Ghana Angloga. Togbi o mamao dumagao manyi banami. Madaku mabia mo na mahlang chocho viada chomiapa jimanolangu mahla da yavugbama. A brief profile of His Excellency Gabriel Tanko Komiga Atople. His Excellency Atople is a distinguished businessman, a politician, a philanthropist with vast experience in gold trading, real estate development, and public service. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Seshi Adam Company Limited, a licensed gold export company, and also the Chief Executive Officer of TK Realties, a real estate company that is into building, furnishing, and selling of affordable but luxury homes in Ghana. His Excellency Atople also serves as a founder of Seshi Adam Football Club, contributing to youth development through sports. His Excellency Atople also serves as a founder of the Seshi Adam Football Club. Okay, I'm repeating my lines. He is also the founder of the Tanko Foundation, which supports education, healthcare, and economic empowerment, particularly in our region, Volta. His Excellency Atople is a graduate from the Kavala International University in the United States of America. He holds an international executive MBA in project management. He has served as a senior person at the Ministry of Transport, playing key roles in national development through committees and public advisory body to the President of our Republic, bringing his deep expertise in governance, public-private partnership, and socio-economic development to national decision-making. His Excellency Atople is currently a member of the Council of State representing our region, Volta. In recognition of his leadership and work, he received the Forbes Best of Africa Leadership and Humanitarian Impact Award 2025, which was presented at the Forbes House, New York, during the recent UN General Assembly. This award celebrated Mr. Atople's outstanding contributions to Ghana's political development, entrepreneurial excellence, and humanitarian impact across education, healthcare, and community development. It is worthwhile to remember a number of past recipients of this distinguished Forbes Best of Africa Award, which include Mr. Prakash Hinduja, must be from India. Lord Ramiranja is a Baron of Mayfair in the UK. His Excellency Ernest Bar Koroma, former President of Sierra Leone, as well as the Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, a former President of Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, we have no other person to chair this august occasion than His Excellency Gabriel Tanko Komiga Atople, a member of the Council of State. His Excellency, your audience, your chairman. Thank you very much.
alaba mia biaba mio jimanola tankode ahojia tayema apato frechidi ko inane ba nawa adong nami. Okay, he would like to come here. Oh, okay. Please clap for him. He would like to come here to speak to us. Ajibaya avamia ko bana ya aponu nami ananamia nyaba yehojia nyatafa alaba amamagba Togbi Awusu Agbesi Awadada na Anlo duko adolawo doga piye adoda mia Togbi ga Togbi sri awamafia atonlia na Anlo duko bana waya do wizoni. Da Mr. Tanko, over to you. You're welcome.
Madogo la bobo nyanya tokia dama manye bana His Royal Majesty Togbi Etolia Awamafia and President of the Anlo Duka Council. With all humility, I acknowledge Honorable Sylvester Mensah, the CEO of Exim Bank, Ghana. With all humility, I also acknowledge a father, a mentor, someone who have equally contributed his energy to the development of this country. Honorable Dr. Naho Tamaklo, I acknowledge you, sir. I also acknowledge a father, an uncle, His Excellency Dan Abudakwi, who I can also say is the Awama Shito of the Anglo Duka Council. Miawezo, Togbio Mamao, distinguished guests, brothers and sisters of the great Anglo state. It is both an honor and a deep responsibility to stand before you today as chair of this august occasion. As we celebrate the silver jubilee of our distinguished Awadada, Togbi Agbesi Awusu II. Today is more than a celebration but a reflection, a call to unity and a vision for the future. In our early wisdom, we say, Agblema Dadokyu, Ame Dagbla. To it, a farm does not cultivate itself. It is the people who till the land. So it is with a kingdom. It is not the stew that will make us great, but the people who rally behind the stew, guided by wise leadership. For 25 years, Togbi Awadada has carried his mantle with honor, discipline, and vision. He has defended our heritage, kept the dignity of the Kakaku stool intact, and upheld the pride of the Anglo people. He should remember this era as one that gave us strength to tradition while preparing the way for renewal. We must celebrate this not lightly, but with the full knowledge that leadership lasts is long, remains unshaken is a rare gift. Yet as we celebrate, we must also ask ourselves, what is the way forward for the Anglo state? What will define the next 25 years? In the old days, our Awadada carried a shield and spear to protect our land. He was the warlord who led when the survival of our people was at stake. But today, our enemy of the state is no longer a rival trap or an advancing enemy. It is poverty, it is underdevelopment, it is the loss of opportunity for our youth. It is the disunity that sometimes weakens our voice as chiefs and as people. If our ancestors fought with spears, today we must fight with unity, with education, with enterprise, and with vision. Togbio, we cannot deny the reality before us. Among the 36 states of Anglo, there are often two petty conflicts, rivalries, and misunderstandings. Our communities with divided hands cannot lift a heavy load. Adidibade ahai ma yo no na you okokpa ta alevavie. When our chills pull in different directions, when the wisdom of our elders is drowned by dispute, the people suffer. So I plead with you, Togbi Awadada, that your new role as the warlord of old should now be a warlord of peace and unity among our chiefs and elders. And I am particularly hopeful as your son that you shall deliver as always. Let this anniversary mark the beginning of a new covenant among our chiefs, our forerunners, our people, to stand as one Anlo, not as fragmented localities, not at all. Togbio Mamao, our battlefields have changed. Today, the enemies we face are poor infrastructure, schools without enough teachers, books, health facilities that lack basic equipment, roads that remain uncompleted, and above all, the rising challenge of youth unemployment. The young people of Anlo State, full of energy and ideas, often find themselves stranded without support or opportunity. If we do not invest in them, we risk not only their future, but the survival of our tradition. For a stool without people to uphold becomes an empty stool. Ladies and gentlemen, we must learn from the examples around us. Even in the poorest of our towns, when it comes to building a church, you will see unity, sacrifice, and ambition. The churches stand as testaments that even poor communities can achieve great things when they have a common purpose. Ahamajahu, ahu yejinaha. It is not a song that finds the drum, it is the drum that calls for the song. In the same way, when there is unity of purpose, the people rise and accomplish what may seem impossible. If our communities can put up fine church buildings, why can we not apply the same unity and commitment to build strong schools, reliable clinics, and enduring enterprises for our people? Togbio, I bring to you another task to lead this new awakening. Let us not be remembered for excellent disputes among land or succession while our young people cry for jobs and our villages remain underdeveloped. Let us instead be remembered for uniting to build. When the chiefs of Anlo rise, when the 36 states act not in competition but in cooperation, we will command respect and attract the investments and partnerships we need. Ladies and gentlemen, it is here that we must also speak of the youth. The greatest responsibility of leadership is not only to preserve the past, but to prepare the future. Our youth are not a burden. They are our greatest resource, but they must be guided, trained, and empowered. We need to invest in modern education that does not only prepare them for white-collar jobs, but equip them with skills to be creators of jobs. Agriculture, which is the backbone of our region, must be modernized so that young people see it not as a dead end, but as a field of innovation and profit. Myself, as a young man who is into rice farming, with about 300 acres of rice production across the Volta region, I know the challenges, and this is where we need to come together to pursue a common industrialized agenda that can feature into government's agriculture programs like the Feed Ghana. We also need to support government's agri-nest program and release our lands for government for high-level farming. The benefits of the day comes to us. Togbio, vocational centers and mentorship structures that connect our youth to opportunity. Let us not wait for government alone. Let us partner with the private sector into a PPP model to move the Anlo Duko forward. The Volta region is open for industrialization under the able hands of the president and the regional minister, and this is not only time to have our hands. The Awadada's 25 years of leadership must inspire a new vision for development. The wars of our ancestors gave us land, dignity, and survival. The war of today must give us unity, progress, and the future for our children. When the path opens, we must walk boldly upon it. Let us stop looking at what divides us and instead build what unites us. The Anglo state has always been a proud people, rich in culture, strong in values, and resilient in spirit. But culture alone cannot build hospitals. Pride alone cannot put food on the table. Resilience alone cannot give jobs to our youth. We must convert our strength into progress. We must take our unity and channel it into visible development. Let the next 25 years of the Awadada's leadership be remembered not for only preserving the Anglo identity, but for lifting Anglo to new heights of development and prosperity. I challenge the Awadada respectfully, humbly, and our chiefs and all gathered here. Let us set measurable goals for ourselves. Let every community in Anglo have at least one strong vocational center within the next decade. Let every major town have a clinic that is well equipped. Let us invest in scholarships, in training, and in modern farming. Let us leave behind a legacy of roads, schools, and enterprises that will tell future generations that this was the era when Anglo rose again, united, strong, and visionary. And these are the things, as a young political leader of our region, will advocate for, either rain or shine, respectfully. As for the chair of this celebration, I say to you, yes, I accept to chair this very, very function. Let us not waste this moment. The future is calling us, and I will not wait. Our enemies are strong, but they are enemies we can defeat if we stand together. Poverty can be defeated. Unemployment can be defeated. Division can also be defeated. Just as our ancestors defeated their enemies with courage and sacrifice, so we, if we are united. In closing, let me remind us all gathered here again that we are one people. Our destinies cannot be separated. Let us honor the Awadada not only with words but with proper action. Let us celebrate him not with dance and music but with a renewed vow to build. The Anglo state has no war to fight against any tribe, not at all. Our only war is against the enemies of poverty, underdevelopment, disunity, and hopelessness. And this war, united, will win. May the spirit of unity guide us. May the wisdom of our elders strengthen us. May the courage of our youth carry us forward. And may the next 25 years of our Awadada's reign be remembered as the season when Anglo state rose up again to preserve its path and shape a brighter future. Miawezo, akpana mi lebo bunyanyama.
Akpanedi. His Excellency, Tanko. Wow, mi shakbella. Nyao glolo honya hobla. Enya hajima nola glo hanya manya fon. Enya oglo de henya oglo. Enya hatanko glo hanya manya fon. Mitro jima mi akplan gbe hoho awdi. Enya oglo nyamanya fon. Mitro jima mi akplan gbe hoho awdi. Enya oglo hanya manya fon. Enya oglo de henya oglo. Enya hajima nola glo ha. Nyamanya fon. Oba blo la mi akpo. Alaba ahi Togbi Agbesi Awusu Velia Awadada na Anglo duko dutabla tovo adahanya abalogo etoa edo apa ama dodora Togbi esri etonlia hana mio awama fiakpo bana wa ado wizoni ado jani anya wo glory anya wo gloa anya hajima no la glo hanya manya nyavon Mitro jima mi akplan gbe hoho awdi anya ogloa nyamanya nyavon mitro jima mi akplan gbe hoho awdi anya oglo ha nyamanya nyavon nya oglo re nya ogloa anya ha nya oglo ha nyamanya nyavon obloba asamo kare asamo ka asama hun konkro ka asamnya boni asamo kare asamo ka Asama ha chama ka asamnya boni musi samoji na mufa obra pano asamoka asamnya boni musi samobra na mufa obra pano asamoka asamnya boni Hasamoka de hasamoka asama ahun kron ka ha asam ye boni alaba mia Togbi o mia mama o wo ala achododo toki adama alaba wo yina aba dodo na cho Togbi Agbesi Awusu gbo bana wa adojana mia Togbi ga awon mafia hikanye Togbi si etonlia bana yezon yeba doga aba fofo na Togbi oba wezon lo dono ya wezon alabano yeba Togbi ogbo a mia anaba na yida afara ma do we zonam Togbi o abale amagbo na mio kata o nyo jongo achodo ngo laka wonwo wodo alabana agbapa azan yenga pa Blavovo atona Togbi Agbesi Awusu Avelia hika wula jiaji aba Awadada na dutabla tovo adanya falogo atoa vaste egbe eye mawu lamagbane msadome eye Togbi okro mama yo pom na la wo nya mo yo kala magbana Togbi Agbesi Awusu bla awomashia bana aduananya no bana aduamanafa bana nugo yiyi nava eye bana de kawowo na anomiashi ayata ahorodio alaba anya nuvada hikaba nyama yo kamie kpo hayo Togbi kpo amie kpo magba alaba nuo jacho onwo nyakpo ola angono mini ngonoma anglo nya ho no ba anglo klochi kloloa wo we nya ho ayata wo ha jagba fia na la jagba na cho mo vito ikenya phone na no zoom na no clapum na kwaya pame Togbi o mama o miawe dono na mi nyato anglo afia nyegba gajo mi la ready na ma maraku na ho
miawe nyanglo mia Togbi ocho Africa ama ibonyi gba panye ke apa miona kala doko miona fana chochi fana chonya mia okwela anglo kloche klololo nakachira kano choma binu ama porwe tunoma masamanya esafti kolu aweso anglo mia Togbi ocho Africa ama ibonyi gba panye ke apa miona kala doko miona fana chochi fana chonya mia okwela oke anglo kloche klololo nakachira kano choma binu ama porwe junoma masamanya ezapsikoli kala kumanya nupoe davachi manya nupoe kala kumanya nupo mia nyanglo mia Togbi ocho Africa ama ibonyi gba panyaka apa miona kala doko miona fana chochi fana chonya mia okwela oke anglo kloche klololo nakachira kano choma binu ama porwe junoma masamanya esapsikolu nugbe marolo gacho nugbe maro kayaten nugbe marolo sobri nugbe maro kayaten nugbe maro gacho nugbe maro kayato okuma klamo kayato gachima klamo kayato nugbe maro gacho nugbe maro nugbe marolo gacho nugbe maro kayato gacho nugbe marolo gacho nugbe maro kayato gacho nugbe maro kayato okuma klamo kayato gachima klamo kayato nugbe maro gacho nugbe marolo sobri nugbe maro kayato nugbe marolo sobri nugbe maro kayato okuma klamo kayato gachima klamo kayato nugbe maro gacho nugbe marolo sobri nugbe maro kayato nugbe marolo gacho nugbe maro kayato gacho nugbe maro kayato okuma klamo kayato gachima klamo kayato nugbe maro nabla mama dasaro yanche daruelo nabla mama dasaro yanche daruelo yanche daruelo yanche daruelo yanche daruma nabla mama dasalo yanche daruma nabla mama dasalo yanche nabla mama dasalo yanche daruelo majasa yanche nabla mama dasalo yanche daruelo nabla yanche daruelo yanche daruelo yanche daruma nabla mama dasalo yanche daruma nabla mama dasalo mi do baba
all right akpa
mi do baba na kuko no ma rose darume danya na oma danya na oma danya na oma danya na oma danya na oma
Maroko mi shakpa na onam akpa nami anglo afiana nyigba gajo amaraku ma glodon gobana gada afadama aye na fovo aye ma samara onko a tro na najo gaka no nyeba ma samara kan ko na gada fama avuaduga aye mi la fia le kpoga hama majoma nan mi nyaba mi le afagama alaba Togbi sri tonlia awamaji alam yakbo nanamake Awadada Agbesi Awusu avelia afa azandume miele afa bla vavo aton alaba amadana do wezon mikata bana miawe vadoga alo miawe zon aya yevo wa wida machadua marako mi kpedenchinya bana mayo Togbi zawu analia Banawa adowe zonami. Manako Mishak Bene. Thank you.
Yeah. Budak miapa MC miapa Jimon Nola Bubuto, His Eminence Gabriel Kwamiga Tanko at Tople. Amahikanya Rangurala Gan miapa Duplola Shikacho miapa Anlo Afi, Council of State Member. Maniba Miapa awa mafia bubuto Anlo du tablato voda katanji kola Togbi Sri atonlia Maniba badeta guno Miapa awa mazito bubuto His Excellency Dan Aboragbi Maniba tohe na waha Maniba tohe na Anlo fiagao kata Ye Maniba na Togbio mamao Amasiama Maniba atumavio Amakpakpa tohe reshare Shikadore mianu afia Maniba nami Majiwa mazam mong pokpoya Nama Anlo Miapa Anglopa Awadada tepe Magano Gave Hlo kata Famachicho tepe Ye magale Anglo Duko kata tepe Lagapupoyama Be Mado wezon Tohe Namashama Yika dore mianu la gapupoyama ba ya rung keke tohea pale miapa Awadada ne Anlo akpanami lenya tepema apa blava rawe ava apa blava voton magbloka apa blava voton yenye ya alebe ashetu miapa Awadada ikpomie le fiaji sikanya Awadada Agbesi Awusu Everlove Shika Odare Akaklaku Jiaji Shika Awodo Abe Anlo kata pe Awadada Amayike Awonado Plik miapa awomafiane Anlo Awadada ne Anlo anye ametohere Ayo nyebe awamaji umuruna fiatepe nolaneo Awadadai anona pamaukata ne taflache awamafia mavalio Awadadai wanado atin awamafia Bu vada shine ya yika ogaro awamafia ta Awadada miak blok pie ko yenya a second in command le Anlo duo kata me ne Togbi Sri mata ayafia rawo alo dorawo yika Togbi Sri ajiba yento ya mawo alo malio Awadada yo domao kata ne Miapa Awadada ya Yepufia katanta alebe le gapopoyama miefa be mia aru azantoke ya kli Oruye jiji pe blavovo atonye ya manya anuvi mawoto anu kpaka mawo kaka mawo jipobito lirete na mawo marashenu amagbetora kamata wo na ka kli ogbo ta atoha ya katama alebe agba mie doran na mia aru keke toke ya kpakli Tamagaza Monkpoya do Wizo, Tokina, Amashama, Ikanava Fia, Be, Miarajiri Boko, Mia Rosaya, or Jeffiato, Ajagato. Mako Idia, Nyapa Dapa Azaya, Manye Azanko, Miapo Jijo, Anonu, Rero. Azaya, Anye Nuike Miako, Agawo, Reka. Rekawa war nano, a fiak blammer, a fiaukla duma, viokata, miawo reka, Ayakwe, Atan Weber, Miapa Anglo duo, Nayin Gogbe. Tamia Azaya Hazam, Kokukurana Mashama, Masoma sort of Shara, Ikala Akbashakba, Amashama Naza Azaya Pankakaya, Miarenumo Katara, Alaba Mianoreka, Atuduya, Onyedu, Ntontomia, Anoma. Bamaga ponu fun aglanka kakatan. Loko maglobe male ahlon tepe male awadada tepe ye male anglo vidjio katan tepe ato wezone amakpepe tokhere share va azayama. Akbenami.
Aka Togbi Zawu Avelia Akbenao. Marako mishi akpanye he. That is the welcome address delivered by Togbi Zawu the fourth, and he spoke about unity, oneness, perseverance to work, and also progress for this very region called Volta. Volta, we are powerful. Without us, the region is not completed. Thank you. Asafodahi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Barako ago na Togbio pla mamao. Mikata la fia goja miela tohe mashamala tohe alaba na onyeba maso ko amafiaba mala tohe amashamala tohe. Everybody here is very, very, very important. And so if you don't hear your name, it doesn't mean that you are not observed, but you are really, really observed and appreciated for your coming. And so we're just going to select a few, mention them, acknowledge them. Together we celebrate our father, Togbi Agbesi Awusu II, Awadada. So on my list here are a few people. I start with Major General and the wife, that is William Ayandu. And he is the former army commander, Barakumi Shakpani. And he's also the chief of staff. Then I also have Captain Ken Kodak. Captain is a special advisor to the National Security Coordinator, Barakumi Shakpani now. I have also Brigadier General Cosmos Al-Hassan, former military attaché to the Republic of Brazil. Please appreciate him. I have Major Vincent Yao Blege, retired, special aide at AES office. Madaku, please clap for him. And I also want to bana Mia Adejeshi Hogba Committee, that is the up and coming Hogbaza Alaba Committee. Wola Shiha, Badaku mi Shakana Namsia Hogba Committee. Miawe Domlo Dono Nami. I also have Major Eric Dallas Amuzu, the almighty, powerful, noble Shami. Please clap for him. I can say my own, and he's a very wonderful man. I know, I have observed him from afar, and he's closer. Very humble man. I'm talking about Togbi Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo, statesman and Anlo royal. Good. Nanamake, I have Honorable Sylvanus Soga, Volta Diaspora Caucus, General Secretary, Ashanti Regional Director of Election, NDC. Madam Shakbanina. I have Honorable Edmond Agbo, NCE for Ga East. Please clap for him. I have Honorable Eliklim Akurugu, MP for Domi Kwabenya. This woman is very powerful. Yeah, very, very powerful. Davia Eliklim, a wisdom wisdom. And he is not here alone. Manya yi the kai vow. A vakbla Asra Albert Akurugu Esquire, Office of the Special Prosecutor. I have also Christine Agbo. Christine Agbo is with us. Merakumi Shakpane. Mr. Garnet Agbo. This man wrote like a doctor. Mr. Garnet Togbi Charlton, Tema East, NDC Voter Diaspora Caucus. Merakumi Shakpane now. I also have Emmanuel, Honorable Emmanuel. Okay, Komiga. Okay, thank you. Okay, where's on low? Where's on? His Excellency. All right, let me observe as though he has come already, but I have His Excellency Emmanuel. Sorry, His Excellency Eminent Gabriel Komiga Tanko Atople, voter rep for Council of State. Where's on low? And then I also have Honorable Joseph Kwaku Pata, presiding member for Angloga District Assembly. Lawyer Chris Akume Esquire is here. For wisdom. National Association of Unit Committee members of Ghana, they are also here. And in due course, we would introduce you to Togbio and Mamao. For now, Honorable Sepe, I think he's the MP for Anlo. Am I right? Uncle Sepe, where's on low? Where's on? Togbio be where's on? What do Jano? All right. Magagbo, ayemia yide nuko yo woji. Alaba shishila eshia. Madaku miya Togbi ga nupoga, sorry, miya Togbi Awadada nupoga gake hafi Togbi na ponua. Marije makpulo mojine. Alaba man number asafo. Madaku mikpulo mojine Togbi na. Naho. Naho. Mizova tuama. Mizova tuama. Asafo. Avonyo, Maroko mi truck ball. Asafo, mi truck ball. Asafo, mi truck ball. Asafo, mi truck ball. Aka. Asafo leader, Polovio, why noni? Aka. Asafo, Akpanami, Mizo Kabakaba. Maraku Togbi Awadada. Ago. Anyo mi didi. Togbi Awadada Maraku viwado va ma adawa fion. Yenya ba honorable Asafo Hawode. Asafo anyo mi didi la. Maraku Togbi Honorable Sylvester Adina Mensa. He can CEO na Exim Bank Alakbo. Uncle Sylvester Maraku want to fofowe. Nana Make Sandra Ayram Bado DCE for Anlo Alamiakbo. Bill Boglo Hado Alamiakbo Mina question now. Nana Make Chief Balogu Julius Amavaji afia onyela Nigeria gaka Anlo VGG onya baraku mishakpa na wolo ago modogo yegbo yeton yenya ba mia Togbi Awadada Agbesi Awusu afalia ajibaya anagbami ayata maraku doduna shi ton bana mia asa Togbi fanko Maraku Togbi Alagbo. Jabani, Aka, Jabani, Togbi, Maraku Vio, wala tochi ba yo sauba.
Akpa. Honorable Chairman, Gabriel Wamiga Tanko Atople, Member of Council of State for the Volta region. His Royal Majesty Awomafia Togbi Sri III Menyibano, His Excellency Awomajito Dan Akakpo Abodakpi Menyibano, Togbio Mamao Menyibana Mikata, the Honorable Minister, Honorable James Gunu, members of Parliament present, Anlo clan elders, the Agave clan elders, distinguished invited guests, the press. I count myself privileged for honoring the invitation to my Silver Jubilee celebration. We are gathered not only to honor 25 years of leadership, culture, and unity, but also to reflect on my journey as the 14th Awadada of Anlo. This quarter of a century of leadership, which is no small milestone, started on 18th of September 2000. With my fellow clan chiefs, namely Togbi Subo II and Togbi Adelasi Kuto III. The above-mentioned chiefs were installed with me the same day. We were actively spiritually bonded by the late Togbi Agbesi IV, Dumega Koku Agbeto Oka, the late Togbi, known also as Toboko Abuflachi Doglu Dogbevedo, the late Dumega Donosala, and others who spiritually supported me, I cannot mention now, who I did not know then. Final meeting to stamp my release, the Agave clan elders took place at Sri Poji, of the late Togbi Sri III, who was then Awomefia of Anlo. The second, sorry. Solidly supported by my late brother, Stephen Kofi Agbo, Edwin Achu Ditfield Agbo, my late sister Edwina Achupi Agbo, Anyable, Tudera Agbo, also known as Okromouth, my late uncle Frederick Bemegan, and my cousin Kwaukume, Joshua Kwaukume, Esther Kwaukume, and Cornelius Do Williams, all of blessed memory among others. Let me use this opportunity to acknowledge the late Dr. Liu Yao Kalaji, without whom the Wright family might not have been identified in the diaspora. He was one of my mentors. The same acknowledgement goes to his brother, Togbi Honamato, also known as Vincent Kalaji, for his immense support during my installment as one of the elders of the Agave clan. Let me also use this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to the leadership and memberships of the United Volta Association of New York for the support they gave me 25 years ago. My church, the Evangelical Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Tema, did not turn their back to me. It would be suicidal if I failed to gratify my own, the Agbo family, especially my senior brother, Zikpito Edwin Achu Ditfil Agbo, without whom I would not have been known and identified for consideration for nomination to become Awadada of Anlo. To the Agbo family, to the Agbo and allied families, I say a big thank you. It is your support that have brought me this far. At this juncture, let me turn to my people. The leadership and the Agave Clan Association and its members. To you, I say thank you too. Honorable Chairman, Togbi Mamao, I chose preserving the past, shaping the future, celebrating 25 years of leadership, culture, and unity as the theme for my anniversary. It is to help us reflect into our past in order to use the past to guide us into our future. Our ancestors had no formal education, but it is their wisdom and values that shaped our knowledge systems that we have today. Preserving the past is to help us impact the wisdom of our ancestors to our generation, mostly through our culture, tradition, festival, and the chieftaincy institution. I wish not to bother you with my issues of the past 25 years. It was not easy, but Mao Sogbolisa made me prevail all. My expectation after becoming the Awadada of Anlo is to, with the collaboration of the other chiefs of Anlo, unite the chiefs of the 36 settlements that comprise Anlo. As I stand before you today, I want to admit without any reservation that my expectation has not been achieved. And as to if it will be achieved in the future, raises some doubt in my mind. The main reason for this is our failure to preserve the past, leading to the distortion of our history. Despite the challenges and sacrifices made in expectation that Anlo will unite, the sacrifices had not yielded the expected result due to multifaceted chieftaincy disputes coupled with post-colonial mechanisms such as ethnic, political, cultural manipulation, which continue to impose internal conflicts along ethnic lines to maintain disunity among us as a people. Unfortunately, the above-mentioned inferior communist tactics has succeeded on our blind side, plunging us as a people into disunity. It is surprising that people with the same history, culture, traditions, who continue to live together as one people, refuse to see themselves as an entity. No wonder Africa is finding it extremely difficult to unite. The fact is that when our detractors see any progressive moves leading to unity among us, they quickly come in to remind us of our wounds, our old wounds. I wish to use this occasion to appeal and remind all others that united we stand, divided we fall. If you have not seen much developing during my reign of 25 years, then it is due to the numerous disputes that dispute and conflicts that characterize my leadership. I am however proud to say that with all storms plugging Anlo, through our Obetutu festival, championed education, promoted health, unity to a large extent. Honorable Chairman, Togbi, Mamao, distinguished invited guests, I will celebrate my silver jubilee let us look forward with determination let us preserve the past. Which is the wisdom of our ancestors. Shape the future. It is the only way we can avoid.
Togbi na bujoa nafa. Fiola gbo. Na bujoa nafa Togbi. Egbe. Togbi yiji.
In conclusion, let us strengthen unity as the engine of social progress. In the words of the great African-American scholar, W.E.B. Du Bois, and I quote, "The cause of liberty is not the cause of race or a sect, a party or a class. It is the cause of humanity, the very birthright of humanity." Let me end by wishing you all well in your endeavor. Enjoy the day. I thank all those who have contributed to the success of my anniversary, either through words of encouragement, financially, or prayers. May you be replenished fourfold. Mauso Golisa, Netu Chinami, Eyewo Donu Semi Kata. Long live Anlo Duko, long live Agave clan, long live our motherland, Ghana.
Aka, Togbi Akpe kaka. Badaku mishi akpe nena munyehe. Afa deka bu bla babo aton a manya fa vi onyo. Ta akpana dinwe. Marema wona honugbo. Amake ma wona honugbo. Marema wona honugbo. Holowe lala holowe. Togbi Akpe. Akpe Asafo anyo Asafo mi trogbo anyo Asafo mi trogbo anyo Maraku akpe asafo akpe Maraku Togbi Agbesi Awadada Awusu Avaliang Marakuku VO Yikenya Honorable Fiavi Kwete Ado delegate roda wa we ma vagbo obonoko nu nyia da na obo we zadumlo azalo nuke azalo wama le kogbe maraku hafi miafa awoma jitona ponua majiba Manan Togbi Onanyaba Honorable Bright Kojo Demoji Yikenya National Coordinator na Feed Ghana Iha Alamiakbo Mishakbani Namsia Mishakbani Alaba Hafi Togbi na pono Manan Nyanyaba la Togbi Gagboa Togbi Tohiada la Togbi Gagbo Alaba Togbi Amadana Deji Ankwanya Togbi Bojo Atonia Hikenya Dusifia Gana Anlo Duko Marako Mishiakbani Ago Dodinaji Asafo Dodinaji Togbi Angpoga Manando Shojina Marako Ago Matogo Yeboyeton Yejaba Miaho Agbadidi Gbadashi Anukhlominya Acho Mia Togbibo Yikenya His Excellency Awamajito Dan Abodaki Akakpopo Barako Mishak Beninam
Azalo
Azase
Azalo
Azase
Azala Songbe
Ella Kogbe Ewa
Miapa Awamafia Efia Ojifia Togbi Sri Etonlia Bubuto Manyi Banao Miapa Lucifiaga Togbi Bojo Etonlia Manyi Bano Manyi Bana Miapa Jimanola Tohe Vigne Miavi Tanko Manyi Bano Manyi Bana Miafo Togbi Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo où ils en va pas Manyi Bana Miafa Togbi Gan Kata Miafa Togbi O Mia mama Bubu To Agave Hulo Mia Wezadu Manyi Bana Mikata Lenyata Fama Mese Vigne Tanko Au Pono Vokwa Ikombo Vietnam Mahaba Maganya la Kabloga Gohon Nyatakwete Bagbayo Kamieja Aba Mia View Navado Mia to Mia Fotapa Maglog da Toy Bela Tanko Blow toda o fogo na outra Tu bobo funha JJ Rollins Magalagbo ha Magloba minha do manhã do volume o
Mishak pada Hamada Akpanadi
Togbi Awadada Makbobo da Chibe Gamo Magana Fatumana Diwo, Bay a Fudge who joining Balajo, and Mujamaji had Dawo. Avakana in a year. Ye Kanao me na Jochu. Ye ka a wo. Togbi o Madoducho. O the ka. Baklemia Togbi Uchu Kakatado. Vadura Ngoche. Eva doda nyigbayaji apapayo ke togbo le do kwichocho savoyema ahongona Anlo bota blato voda la vaklichuoma ikawebe agba Anlo duko Bubuada lang la gana dukoma bumachilo kwek babayo manyiw gaka amayo nye ko onye numa tema jaba jinada po gbada kagbo o Togbi dangloba mawe no jidama punama na adoi mabu adowo ma hokpe a yema gbogbo magbo ha ta magana jinada fu oji dafu yekana nam numa tanyi choya na yon pata Bama ba pono la azayama Togbi nyama gbakle akamarun kujibe danye nanya la ba gavanyon nou fa dome mamlo e danye dada gahanya la pao afi fufu nyenye jo yokwino jo viao numa tema lo chu do na oro Togbi Awadada aiko nao la pebla vavo ton zaya duduma wo podenu ikanana show do pichocho savo la go gadanu ba Anlo duko na gbogbo kralia anya wika over to who na the view agba view chonga do kwi bobo na lashio bubuika na chona awoma fia bubuika na chona awoma ji ye bubuika na chona wo fia hao la odo na oma Mapo Gakamaga Glohaya a clown de so strong. Mabalaka a clown de so strong. Yena Jiba Astrono Bashagba Cho do Hachu bo Don't of you if you bo Ye muleba a blaliji by a neck balamunya hareji. They are caught to Anlo dwe. The Magbofia bear as so Vienna Popa blood drum for the cake Gagaga Sukudama. I won't kunama gather. Ni chokosida vama konaganlo do dokpo. Azalo anu so strong na nyek bato ye me klang be ya sronu anyenu de jio wona o mado tamaji ma chomo popo abiacho Anlo viu Anlo to vieto so heusi bemia ku Togbi Agbesi and the jiba blood no so strong nemia strong at strong asredeji bemia panu nia nakpede mia tu Anlo dukoro Togbi Agbesi Awusu miape jimenola ukuna bado la boya fi meno ngom da gbala emana tai mega ya gbala lago au ponu chu miape de ka wo ye wo do hamalo ha nyamanya ba tema viu kuma no kpo me nyamanya ba sanglo gbo na na mo ba chi chokule ba the chicken bully, but Hamono gay miala. Afi attach but Amy at Togbi Agbesi I see the carbon or could you bow of Anlo duko chivado afia vofia over the jam abba do quit ojiji by a gather. Miam madu miam jogbovote miafa fiado ham ikabe miafa mada kanyanya wodi ba yo fuba Togbinya o mamanya o afaga gaga yo ke Anlo duko wa miedu apa maoji aba kaji duko no Medu apa maoji aba kliko duko no Medu apa maoji aba panyi duko no Medu apa maoji aba venoto de no Medu apa maoji aba kwaso church avie no kabwa Mia Togbi onye de kawo ponu vanyenye ta numata na vabe ajo umma biku na Anlo bota blato voda yo sona awova adwa vaji Togbi yo mama o mamanya o Anlo bota blato voda Manya do the ke black of what the plummy wool, what away. Our botamau catape fiao. Supla mamako, with the jessibe. You cata, your daha, your no hammer, your no awome fear, plotter, but now you funua, do cobu blue, natural. Yon so ano hammer na no jo yon no Awadada pokpoklote ba afachina ya duna yo yon so yon no hammer alaba na yo fonu na yo vuo oserba no maota nya Togbi o Bama Awadada Awusu mi koklodu gake miaƒe dekɔnuwo kplɔtɔ woli hafi constitution va Tami matencha de miapo konu mau ke nami ngko aba anglo na nami kpekpeme aba anglo na miatembe constitution va hukta mia de no mau fugbo ne me kache zozolema wono dukobu buoyom mi o mia no joge anu totom ala bana aya alele mian majijio miafe vidaka miafe fiadaka dukplola da fokpo o trefa ku he ko kwie ba no wala yo ayi maji mo afodu dukplola ma gblone be na temi ko ne vewe akama kadaji be na be dukplola ma do nyabe anglo duko blatovo de fa gbedome wula Martin check blue yamane madalagba numa tai chichao ponya uklo bada chike o yenya tafa ba hamayo nona chokbe Togbi yo mama nyao ayina do kwishiva Anlo botabla tovoda to miafa nu jotuyo miatogbi o wodongwe o jebe wo gede Gold Coast colony man Togbi Street Vevelia na no dodoma na dukwa pa poplo vu afi come kumo na va constitution miwa efiaga de ka nango botabla tovoda iko nyana mi gaka constitution duli 7 wherever ekpede jesiebe bososonyo ne fiao no mata wodo efiao popo ha bobodi region the share ella woshi na ya shanti duma efia ga de ka blood renvoi de yef il a shanti dukoshi wole fia gaji wole te mata na shanti hinu funwa dukplola o hunaro let me up here ayi mielo regional houses of chiefs or tetia Togbi awon mafia adalaja da ka iko no odo dukobu buo opamo la fimaji na nlo dejesia eva jogbadaka but the last 3 by the president National House of Chiefs Gakai unyeba mola hama adako niuta makpo mon akpo kokomapo mate do kokofoma eva ina mianovio vatima owo Togbio Susumawe Yela kaka Togbi adalaja ngoni Mieno koko pomne Bafia a dublato Botablato voda on bafia o Arofia unta pa yo jede Mine fia gan o No huna gada vota in House of Chiefs No ponu plug badaka Anna angno duko na zoi den gogbe wonama Togbi adalaja goma Togbi sketone vaijia agoja bamiado fiao da fimako Oba fifia yozu yodokuyoto. Yomoga nya Anlo. Yomoga jeshi awamafia. Nemi ka gbele miadoki mwa. Kemia kwede jeshi ba bakbama. Me miang noga la dukobu buomo. Odo fiado dango. Ozu paramount chiefs. Magbablomba bota blato vo demokata wo jene paramount. Gaka onyeba do jebo jego madekiri kie. Mado dongo. Enyaba mado nagai. Gaka mia mado yo kami dudango mado bo pakpa o majebo da mona mabubu ozu paramount chiefs o. Togbi script on ya. Ba Yamana de Quitotiji, Boboma, Nagbon la Anglongo, Yena ou Gadofia d'Odengo, Nietzsche. Togwinyo, Mamagnon, le Anglon, Pok de Conou, Bolodo, Awamafia, Equi, Agwabe, Efia, Yedufia. Efia Ejaba was a paramount chief. Manya constitution bona paramount si ya do ganamio. Ma constitution bona dufia do go. Mana na meduli sakblo. Tade. Mi efia ye ka. Onami dodo dango. Ko mi jijima mi ajakpo. Mi don koji ba mi katamu la jogba. Mi katam la jogba. Mi katam wato mi afa safo oji. Hena wamaji. Hena Awadada. Mi gawo na kami da mi afa tamu ya mi kala jogba jiyo. Onya hovi apo mi o. Togbi o. Mama yo. Manya ya oblong. Breve vesesa. Ela bana efia vie manya e angloto ye manya yenye dada hanam ba manya angloto enye dada hanam ba manya dogocho fiapo mama pakpa dem de share da kama chona nye fiao bo do na letra Ejaba mawe, ne mawe o, kama dong pa togba yo kama madocho. Yena, batugbo ba, anya fukbakba. Mate masagoma ba Awadada, da chibe agamonero. Anya fukbakba, anya do na woma hokba. Ha, mada we jagbagba tuanglo dukodu hafi miumi valamagba. Mia pata doji wieba mia we wonyo wale wolegba na mia vio na bonacho makada jibe hamme nya mia pa wo mafia pata doji mu makada jibe hamme nya Awadada pata doji mu makada jibe na me wo jebo wonye mia pa fia de hia de pata doji mu kamenya anyinya ga anyinya lew na nyega wo ganye nyangdo da kotu agnodu kwerwe yamanu foga fun azalo
Azase
madakuku nami nanoji yim sabala kule mi atogbe odana achiyo la mi agbo mi sebe galamse a chauffeur de Ghana, Poto Wu Katama. Jogba vote na mia. O no mokukuado nicho. Ba mia pasabala ha. Ka metal hard metal so o gagamna manani. Ya fa jayo mi dona. Ala bana mia madawo mi trito mi fa fio gbasamo. tɔfo mi dana achike o kama je mi akɔ ado achija o mi dama afo ma hama wo gagam da mi afo no dudu ma wonye mi afi o ji mi le gba wo wu me mi le mi afa fi o gblom yes samo Mansa Awadada fa bla votoin aba wa majitone ma de kuku dan no duko ba mi ga chru duko ya la gbam de he kami popoga adwogba taw kami semi afongogbo to fa gba na ashi na no shi me temena mi ne mi agbugbo duko ya adodo agbugbo duko ya atudo Bai wunwa mi amado de mi di chaide babu wala dako kami chumya do ku mi zugba ma broto ne mi bola pama ha agba mo doge mi ala
Togbi gblena
o no ke mi awom agba na ku ejanglo ma ha Ablu hasagin ala akutepe.
Togbi gagble ake.
Ovo Anlo jenao akwalu bubu jachon ika ananu nyama gbatopo popo. Yo pa. Don't bam na mia. Manya wo go. Na do nyawo da ma blogan na Togbi Agbesi Awusu ba na gara wo ma fiaji na wo hon san dodo na mi ada gbafa ba ma da ku da kama gajwa gwango botabla to ma ko ma da kana chu abluha anu fu la ku tafazo tafachi Anye la fia no poma o jim le anwan gbaji o nyim le fanti gbaji tam do fanti gba o fanti awo go ha ka kana ma fanya danyin gbaji ya anotoi manya ejo masro nyigla gbe wo ma mado na vinyawo na wo magabu mi bubum Anlo avao mayanglo dado mi bubum yiche mi novi asante hene dwaza mi pom ne mayo ko dada madodo me ga kami o mi ba mi jeshi Yesu Kristo wu amasiaba ta de konu yo nya de konu ami bo kato nya busan Togbi o mamanya wo ma gba gbule nyanye gbonya abosanto nye fiafito abosanto nya masrohola abosanto nya makudola no mama we mi Togbi o fonyi khodo manye ba konu yo kana mi nya nglo o we nya bosan mi la mi fa konu o madashi wa tumido miana miagazu yele wumi la du kobubu domo ela bana magbude de gbama yevuba is the diversity, the cultural diversity of this country that makes it unique. Na what to bude makato na chochoga over hoda to tepe Togbi mama Togbi Agbesi Awusu Anlo fa Awadada Sojana tuchira o.
Amen.
Sojana gbogbo hawa dewo.
Never man.
Soja nana o Togbi o faji. Nana o Togbi akholu banto faji.
Never man.
Ona o Togbi akholu velia faji.
Never man.
Kanleji be na wonwe ke ejacho. be ne trɔ yi ɖe Mawu me ɖe dzidzime yiwo kplɔ ge ɖo wogblɔ be a Togbi Agbesi Awusu etɔ̃lia ƒe Awadada ɖoyi ye ewoe be Anlo dukɔ gbogbo ɖokui dzi mía nɔvi yiwo ewo ɖokui ɖem ɖe aga menya be Mawu gã dziƒoʋĩtɔ ye ŋutɔ nanewo ɖe gafia wo medzidzi o wo tɔtrɔ gagbɔ awɔ me fia bobotɔ tɔgbi nye wo mama nye wo Azalo
Azase
nuya le kɔme ne dohe kahoho nu gbayiya wo dohe be nuya le kɔme ne dohe kahoho o nuya le kɔme ne do kahoho nu gbayiya wo do be nuya le kɔme ne dohe akpenami soja na tuti na mi
Azailo Ahororio aha alaba ahi Togbi afonu vo a afonu tso ɖeka wɔwɔ ŋgɔ yiyi enu sɔsrɔ̃ alaba xoxo ŋu yo gbia ye yawo do eta mina be miavio wono senyi gblagblã na wono dodom le duwo me bawo tso gbe ke miabia be adɔtriawo adɔtri safoawo alo dome safoawo wage ɖe me ne Togbi
bubunana Togbi Agbesi bubunana zewo bubunana na fiare yin afiare me yin amo bubunana bubunana lo bubunana pelo bubunana na ko se yin ko bla me yin bubunana na ko se yin besa me yin bubunana yaora mubesu ayaora mubesu katamato bembesu etuoton mari yefutuoton mari ahon tuoton mari yaora mubesu ayaora pana glosa fu saboya mapa masamuya kote basa mapa masamuya frifore mapa masamuya kote basa mapa masamuya frifore achija bachija achija manyamwa runjai achija bachija achija manyamwa runjai achija manyamwe awia bre achija manyamwo ino fi agba fiare buo na buire gare buo na buikabare boma obuna gare buo na buire gare boma obuna fiare buo na builo fiare buo na buikabare fiare buo na buire gare buo na buikaba roto Abua maubuna amare buona bwiri kare buona bwikaba abua maubuna kare buona bwiri kare buona bwikaba fikirina kare buona bwilo na vyare buona bwikaba ri buna vyare buona bwi kare buona bwikaba yo yara buona bilo na gara buona bukabare mo buna yara buona bwire gara buona bukaba mo buna mo ko ba ro tresa fo moza mo ko ba ro tresa fo moza nya salama la sinya ore mo Savo moja na salama la signore moko jeru amanya tonyo moko na salama la signolo moko jeru amanya tonyo nyo moja moko roti savo moja na salama la signore moko Jiru amanya tonyo abo Itu fusesi eto Sesi Agora aqui Abo ga so ika ga ku tu li sa bo ni pada tu pa na klo sa fo Mapa masamuya kotri bas on ra sinya wangu uri ake mago mi ni lo po na ti bolo bolo fante la fate shoba mi jai bonia ba mi jai la fate shoba mi jai bonia ba mi jai fate shoba mi jai bolo bolo fante la fate shoba mi jai bonia ba mi jai bolo fante la fate shoba mi jai bolo bolo fante la fate shoba mi jai Oya Juma
Maraku mishi akpanawo. Akpanadi. Tradition is very, very sweet. Very, very important. God bless us for enriching us with all traditions that we are known for. That is our Anlo jito akpana wo na wo nufuo o pele wo nukhlonya o ma wo najira o eye ma global le wo gba o dodo ma henya nyi gbla gba wa anyo be nya do suku eye na nya patron alabana awo fiafia na iji le suku a o ala ba shishu le hia nya ji o le gba o dia blugba ko srome wo le no matter o fa kplon dada ho akplon nya kplon gbogbo la fa o ma horodio ago madago yegbo yeton Togbi o mama o Awadada Agbesi Awusu Avelia hike pebla vovo atodum Togbi o hike proclam nya Togbi o kpla mama o akpanami nana make dukpola o ha akpanami maraku mi doto alabana Togbiga anufoga akela Anlo pegbagia yenya ba Anlo ko chia klolo nakachi de cannot jom binu Anlo godolipi do no mama semanya hajira kataka apa ye dash the water tegbe a gama no galingo o a guy to after the water tegbe anumo no dogbo tonjia a glina Togbiga Togbi esri atonlia awamafia Togbi hikabi kata mi dana daji aye mi glona ba mion ha nyenya Togbi ada pa Togbi ojio Togbi sri madaku am hikama u kona mi fada fa aye na no mi akpo fada pa madaku gamade bana na fon na jio to o Togbi o kla mama o Shamika o miela gbo aye miela ready ba miasa wo ba Togbi alabo
Honorable Chairman, our guest speaker, Agave Fiagao, Brenye Fiao, Nye Fiagao, Nye Du Fiao, Nye Nyonu Fiao, Nye Hanwo, Vigno. I am exceedingly happy to be part of this great and historic celebration. Silver Jubilee celebration of my second in command, Awadada Agbesi Awusu II, Paramount Chief and Awadada of Anlo Dukong. I first want to congratulate Awadada for chalking this historic milestone in the service to our great Anlo Dukong. I congratulate you for your unique leadership style, your sense of purpose, and your unflinching commitment and dedication to our common ancient Ebe Anlo heritage. Your loyalty to me, you Awamefia and the revered Awameji, is unimpeachable. Togbi, just as your great forebears did in our great and historic sojourn, you have remained fiercely loyal to the cause of our heritage. You have remained firm, like a true warrior, to resist the various attempts to rewrite our history. You make great personal sacrifices to promote and ensure the unity and cohesion of Anlo Duko. My respected Awadada, I want to use this occasion to renew my absolute trust and confidence in you and Kakaku Stool. You, the Awadada of Anlo Duko, for our chieftaincy tradition and custom, is the second in command or second in rank to the Omefia in hereditary terms. Awadada is second in command to Omefia in hereditary terms. I repeat it for the sake of emphasis. This is our heritage. I want to stress here and now, and may the heavens bear witness that all other black stools on which other chiefs in Anlo are installed were created on the royal orders of the Awamefia upon evidence of exceptional acts of valor, and the creation of those black stools were the spiritual preserve of the Awadada. I said further that in Anlo, it is the Awamefia who designates stools as Dufia, Tofia, Hanua, etc. Similarly, it is the sole traditional and customary prerogative of the Awamefia to elevate the chief to paramount status. Togbi, Mamao, distinguished invited guests, I have decided to use this historic occasion to bring clarity to these matters, to arrest the distortions and rampant revisionist attempts in our unique Anglo chieftaincy institution. I finally wish to use this opportunity to congratulate the great Agavon for giving Anglo Duko worthy son to occupy the Akraku stool. As I say. Anya jizomanya blona namba gba mavafia. Ni o kata le jijina ma jema glo. Alo mo fese se o kata le jijina ma dogbonye je sikuto to chenya mo kata agbo de shade. Ni ko nyenye tawu bu enye ba abangro duko na ni yene de kawo me musele ka ka je zambere ha de kawo ma je zam tutu le me ba gbe no wo mu. Gake magbodomda medaka wo manava le mi atogbu oglo dukwara anyi na mia o mi ali la shi gogogo na nama ni ma ruvoga fu ala ba hagbagare arogbo to je yina anyo kata ma je ma glo sikuto glo kankan tamedifu apana mi
Akpa ashinari shikunari maraku mo tano shi akpa. Akpa. And so you realize that all the speeches from Togbi has been of unity. They are all looking for unity. So let us all come together in our households, in our businesses, in our social gatherings. Let us be one. as we move forward this very noble nation and this region, Volta region. I want to announce to all of us that on a date like this, we need to support. We need to support. And so I want to announce to you that we have the donation table. That is anything you want to do willingly. It is not by force, but in case you want to add something to something for this beautiful setup, please, you may go to table right over there where is mounted by my gentle brother Fred Chidi. Please go there, your kavige, your katoge, your 1 CD, will 26 platoa, they can do something very, very beautiful in our lives. Please clap for Azan, clap for Azan, clap for this celebration. Clap for Togbi Mamao. All right. Mbaraku, before we go for votes of thanks, I want to call on the culture. That is the... So, Anlo, Afiada Nigba, Gajo. Mbaraku, Michok Plaba so Jawana. Michokla, miwe kaba. Itoroga do gloria chiho ho ho. Kaba. Wagbala ho ho la chegbe chiepo. Ngongoma voonu. Aho, wagbala ho ho la chegbe chiepo. Ngongoma voonu. Kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu he, kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu. Ao kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu. Ao kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu, kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu he, kwabana hoko la chiagba chiapo, ngongoma voonu. Na hola. Mi old time and yomrula. La come ye la bodo about Butokwe na ha. Mizala. Hey. Hello. Okay. Unity. Gajo. Anu afẹ́rẹ́ nyigba. Akpẹ́. Akpẹ́. Maraku. Shishu la ishia. Mia jibe. Mia ho nuchocho cho mia pe chairman bo. He can Council of State member. Nukwanya His Excellency Gabriel TKA Kwamiga Atokpala. Kwamiga Atokpala. Bana wava anami apa nuchocho. Baraku minakashimne. 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 Minakashimne.
Azalo. Oh, look who joy. Le bobo nyanyamba. Nemi okugba nanema. Kefeba azan. Meeting you. Azalo. Akpa achi. Elegbeji. Your Majesty. Our mafia Togbi Etonia. Our distinguished Awadada. Togbi Agbesi Awusu Everlove. Togbi o Mama o. I still stand on all existing protocol. I wish to express my deepest gratitude for your presence at this memorable occasion. Your participation has given this celebration its true meaning, and your support is a testimony of the respect and unity that binds us together as a people. Today, we have honored a historic leader and reflected on the need for unity among all the 36 states of Anlo. Let us carry forward the message that our strength lies not in division, but in togetherness. We have no wars to fight against one another, not at all. Our common battle is against poverty, underdevelopment, and youth unemployment. Only by working hand in hand, we can overcome these challenges and build a stronger Anlo for the future generations. As we bring this event to a close, I call on all of us, respectfully our chiefs, elders, and our youth, to keep the flame of unity burning. May this day be remembered not only as a celebration of Awadada's leadership, but also as the beginning of renewed cooperation and collective progress. Akpenami, and may the spirit of unity guide us all. Le mon pokpo yoba khegbe khaduna anyagbanto magbere ye fugba ma haya ha magagbere magaka anyuba makuma vie le miadegba ma na mianovi na sema ba ava miafa gbe la bobo nyanya ma fisha finya ma yia miade dokon anya ni matwik fa na fe o ala ba ma khuisa ba miawo ba mi le tohi la bobo nyanya ma makomon pokpo ya e manyaba agba MC agbedo ngoy kafla menya onyeba agakplo nyemiodo ako mon popo ya agli na lafia ina huidama ba Togbi Agbesi Awusu Everlove wofa na Anlo dukoya kala bobu nyana mafina jo na tere agakplo ngu suya kakalia oha wona no woma ya kokpada Anlo duko nchi la bobu nyanya mako mon popo ya la bobu nyanya ma dodi motoy ako sidi akpa blaton ika yovo banaba 30,000 Ghana cedis akokota da asiata Togbi na nogbategbe mau na lora shinemi sesien ba afo mi adui 50 years nava 75 years nava 100 years nava mau pa manuvava akpa na masham
akpa jimanola bubunato mauna yirao dono no aye watu chinu aye odono na idaji tegbe maraku Awadada Togbi Agbesi Awusu Everlove aba Togbi ado jeye alaba ya adakbanao alaba wawanya Togbi Togbi akpodo pasaku analia hika chohiefa hachukofa Togbi adame ndokuchu analia hika anya dufia na blaga apakutoma Togbi Agbesi Awusu kumako Everlove iha acho viefa kofa Togbi podo atonlia iha viefa drafoma miafiaga mama ga bologo atonlia voti apifa mama tomashi viefa mama go ihe cho mafa mama nyatapa agbo ihe Everlove cho benwa kopa mama nyawoyi Everlove ihe cho atuto nana make Togbi ekpa ada do dalia etolia chama Togbi ame zagu Everlove aklakla mama nyoda magbanto alakla Togbi anovia agavafie Togbi dagbawu Everlove adelia sorry aduto Togbi sodiashi Togbi subo Everlove Togbi akolache etolia Togbi tamago Togbi James Oklu joining atolia Togbi Bedi analia Togbi hachu atolia nana kwesi donko hikacho kaswa Togbi ga ahugbo fiaga hikacho ave have traditional area Togbi agbalom agbotoko Everlove hika a rep na Siena Council of Ever Association in North America nkosohini la fima alaba hika enya Togbi na salo Togbi akuchu Everlove Georgia Togbi ajene etolia Georgia dufia Georgia nanamake Togbi hachu etolia hika acho jita Togbi Togbo Atolia Dufia, Ikacho Wumea, Whomever Ikacho Togbo Coffer. Okay, Horodio. Alright, Maraku, Majiba, Mia Adakba, Yavuba, vote of thanks. No one would Dakbanama. Ayata ma Abiabana, Mianovi, Madam Angel Nutako. He came in about double. Banawa Adakba, Marakolabo.
Akpa. Miapa Jimanola. Togbi Awa Mafia, Maraku Manibano. Awa Mafia kwa Jipito, Marakuku Manibano. Togbi Agbesi Awusu Avelia Manibano. Togbio Mamao Novio Ika Acho Dutao Eva Amayo Dohu Amayo Zafo Akpegbanto Madana Mauji Povito Magakwena Togbio Ba Nkaka Nwia Allah Hikamanami Alaba Nkaka Ajajinyami Nwi Akpegbantoa Eyina Mia Mauji Povito Akpa Avelia Agayina Togbi Awa Mafia Plaifa Jipito Ba Wodamo Na Opa Awadada Ba Nkaka Alo Opa Blau Vavo Atoya Wajeji Akpa Nami Akpa Loto Ayina Miapa Jimanola His Excellency Eminence Gabriel Kwamiga Atokpe Ika Magbogbo Oyonaba His Eminence Tanko Mauneira Soja na tuchira odoji ba ava va nojiam owe onyo mama o ple togbio mia novio kata akpa ayinami acho na opo agaton koklo pato kuku atoliade Togbi Awadada Anlo for Awadada Bla ipe fia okataba akpe nami Mauneirami akpe
Ago Shishial Afoya Dia Mia Togbiga Awamafia Togbi Sri Atonia Togbi Agbesi Awusu Velia Awadada Anlo Duko Anya Botabla Atovo Adan Avalogo Atoa Mia Fofo Togbi Sri Amobiam Abaya Dongono Ta Awela Doji Dono no Nanamake Awamajito Togbi Dan Abudakpi Akakpo Iha Amobiam Togbi Bojo Amobiam Yapa Chairman Atokpele Iha Amobiam Kloyo Nchima Okata Yeka Wono Tuaji Alaba Chamiga o Mashiama Maraku Miklo Togbi Aonami Dadie Bana Wado Tefa Dadie Anumanyo emiedai Ase numanyo emieda Anumanyo emieda Ase numanyo emieda Akpolo Akpolo ima Adrukwa la ima he Gbasama biajo, gbasama biajo, gbasama biajo pe. Oh, no man yo emi dai. I say no man yo emi da. No man yo emi dai. I say no man yo emi da. Apollo, Apollo yima. Adrukwa la yima he. Gbasama biajo, gbasama biajo, gbasama biajo pe. Alaba na mi ya mi adanwie mau untona komojinami. Alaba godo by godo a Jehova alaji bona. Ago bapa dada hika ali shishi la shia inya mia togbiyo kule mia mama bubunato apadada hika eleyo zama ajijimba ya dogo togbiyo kule mama o dadako togbiyo kule mama o dadako la yefa afama na yawo takpekpe na azama kpɔkpɔ tɔgbiwo kple mamawo dede ko madeke megakpe ɖe ŋuti o madeke megakpe ɖe ŋuti o yenya be apadada kple yo fiawo dede ko wo takpekpe kple apadada le eƒe aƒeme le aklɔbɔdzi le yo ƒeme ke efiawo ƒe ŋuti mawoa wo katã woyi ɖe palesa yi ke nye agɔwo ƒɔnu palesa afi ma godzi yi ge tɔgbiwo mamawo ƒe ŋuti wo yi ge ava dogo tɔgbi zewu enelia le afi ma gake aʋadada kple yewo tɔgbiwo kple mamawo dedea takpekpe gã le wo si le yewoƒe me meɖeku ta ne nye efiawo kplɔlawo ɖewo kple mamawo ameɖeku megayi ɖe afi ma o. Ago tɔgbi aʋadada yi ke ele azame meleku mama ŋgɔgbe gbãtɔ yi ke tso abɔ yi hã ele gbɔ yi hã eva azame vevie ŋutɔ nenema ke mama drawo ƒe evelia yi ke tso tegbi yi hã ele azame mama dzutsi enelia yi ke etso aŋlɔga yi hã ele azame eye nenema ke mama agumedzɔnu yi ke etso ʋuti yi hã ele gbɔ alebe mama yawo katã wova bena yewoɖu azã ya tɔxɛ kpli o ta tɔgbi agbesi ewoe dɔ wɔm tɔgbiwo mamawo akpena mi gbeɖeku míaxɔ gbedodoɖa tso osɔfowo gbɔ closing prayer. Father, wobe ashi keneto yene lia chia ashi majo gato na ashi didina. Aha. The place you pass climb the tree is the same place you pass drop from the tree. Father, Alaba, all the invited guests, all dignitaries, invited by Awadada, they are also going to Awadada's house. All the colonels and the brigadiers and all the dignitaries, please, you all have to go to Awadada's house to meet with Efiao and Togbio and Mamao Akpa. Please, we are praying. Closing prayer. Mama Wotoba, Mama Yesika, Pula Mama Akofa, Angola Donami He. Oh, woho la mia domi, Chogoma Jaja, Basada Fifia, Akuna Nglomiba, Nyandogba, Nyajiji, Abia forward me or doom, Ayamio, a dopoa, Naideji, Ajideji, Lamopon Coma. Amen.
Yo mia adogbada la tola clavila kpakple gbogbokokoila ƒe ŋkɔme. Mao mia fofo akpena o elabena miebia woƒe mia domenɔnɔ le azã ya ƒe gɔmedzedze. Evava woe wòde blibo. Edze gɔme kpli mi, yi edzi kpli mi va se ɖe nuwowo. Wofofo mie kakam le wo dzikpɔkpɔ te o. Mie gatsɔ miaƒe mɔzɔzɔwo teƒe vovovo siwo yi ke ƒe edɔwo ne gade asi na mi be na akplɔ mi mia awɔwo katã bena le ŋkekea ƒe nuwowoa miaƒe akpedada na ayi edzi elabena enye etɔ vavã na mi abe viwo ene. Yi dzi na dodoa yayira kple amenuveve ɖe azãɖula dzi be yiƒe dɔwo katã na dze fia to adze ga to. Esiawoe miebia to Kristo mia ɖela ƒe ŋkɔme. Eya si nye Mawu le agbe le fia ɖum kpli wo kple gbɔgbɔ kɔkɔe la tso fifia heyi ɖe mavɔ me. Amen. Aƒetɔ la nenɔ kple mi. Mawu mavɔ kple ŋusẽ katã tɔ etɔ la kple vi la kpakple gbɔgbɔ kɔkɔe la ƒe yayira neva dze mia dzi eye wòanɔ anyi kple mi tegbe. Amen.
Father Atipo Akbenaulo kple katekisenya. Apato alo Father in the making. Bernard Kumaho Akbe Mawona Yira. Togbi Bedi. Awo ofonama. Alaba Maraku ai me profada Togbi onchikwa. Maraku minna mo alabana Awadada yike azanduma apa bla vovo aton. Maraku Togbi ojiba yo kple akoyide apame ayata minna mo na Awadada na chom minna mo Awadada fimo dofia awo dɔle gbegbe ta maraku minna mo bana woyide apame kple Togbiwo dzɔm mamawo dzɔm agbotaɖuawo dzɔm ame sia ame dzɔm ayata minna mo bana ne topaniawo wokplɔ Togbi akɔ yi ɖe aƒeme. Agblɔmuƒolawo tsikplɔkɔlawo akpenamilo akpenami mawo na yira mi. Maraku Togbi mo biam tabi na mo na Togbi na ya aƒeme. Azarujio miaova yimlo mauna atuchinami. Alaba amadafa fonabu gaka da viokwe kove. Badaku vanava ho fona na ko gana kadashi. Alaba na ji tensi di sanda shi na ko da joko plakachike. Badaku va ho fona. Badaku ho fona ate manya shi tere jito ate. Ta vanava va hoi. Alaba manana mianya ba hogbaza ala tomak bona to tomu nyanya. Alaba yikanya pajugubi de ke apan kakbanto. Pan kakbanto kwa asa ala toma. Agoma jagala awama. Fa maybe nkaka blava vo de ke ko yina kwa asa la toma. Alaba program soli fu wonya popoma la gbagba. Ayata pajugubi de kelia. Fa nkakagbanto yenya hogbaza totuya adoduya na Anlo dukola ayata maraku shaku milida tama alaba no nyeba na kladum de chikloma 1st November hogba 1st November Togbi yo mama o akpanamilo nyawe odo dono ami Mie jetu bala gbagba. Aha, ta. Madakuku alaba mini hogbaza yenya 20 feet alo pajin awoli apan kaka bla vovo atogba yemie wagala dumama ajidoma yenya mini hogba ayata mashamana nonjo jimu yako kaka bla vovo aton on the 25th of October is the mini hogba za at Adidome, so please mark it and keep the date. Maraku mama nyova apa ahupa safiebu yo hupa safiebu ayata maraku na ko hu safia ko vena fifilai ko hu safia vena fifilai no monyo mama fia chigalo Maraku na ko ofusafi akweve na fifilai na makona mama alaba phone to anye ko phone to Maraku wo Ghana card de machira show okay nam 20 cities city blava makona de geo for phone no munyo phone na de na ye plug jikbije na dero hajo ai wakpo 20 now makona de geo alo nam 10 cities Sidi ya wokwena. Namala shio kama hira ngwa. Alaba Togbi Awadada Awusu Achong Afalia Achong Ado Sheshito Alaba Togbi okla mamao wokple akoyi nada Alaba agak gamda afama ayinada palesa maraku masyama Togbio mamao wokple koinada afame Togbi Awusu agbaodo Togbi Agbelom aha agbotoko afalia na salo alaba inya nana asemeni the second. Yo. Akpelo, salo Togbi, mauna jirao. Akpe gbogbo. Mauna jirao ma de shiade. Ba mieva dono na mi. Maraku double. Miama yoka agbanga jirama madabaya.